G'day and welcome to this how-to video. I'm showing you how easy it is to break down a head of garlic and prepare the cloves for cooking. First, we'll separate the cloves. Using the palm of your hand, gently press down on the head of garlic, breaking it apart. Lightly cut or trim the very end where the cloves were connected to the stem. This will make peeling easier. For whole cloves, you can peel them with your fingers or use a small knife to help loosen the skin. If you're mincing or crushing the garlic, you don't need to peel them carefully first. Just give the unpeeled cloves a good crush and the skin will come right off. Now you're ready to mince, slice, or crush your garlic for your favourite recipes. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.